Trying to get filled here. This is a this is Euro Yen 1 hour time frame. There we go. Trying to get filled here, and we did. So this is a what you see in front of you here is what's known as a bat pattern, right? So it's one of the trades that I take a lot in the live room as well. So I do a London live room every day, Monday to Friday. But right now I'm sort of getting ready to power down over on my side of the world, here in Australia, Brisbane City. And this is the New York session, right? So trading London into New York here, and then I'll be heading off. Right now we're filled, and I want to get a reversal out of this. So we'll see what happens here. Filled on the bat pattern. So just to catch up, we had the highs here, right there. So these highs and then these lows. Now this right here, from this high to this low, this is my impulse leg, okay? This is where patterns start. That's my impulse leg. So what I want to do when it comes to pattern trading is identify the impulse leg, this swing high to this swing low. And I want to take a Fibonacci retracement tool and go from swing high to swing low. First thing I'm looking for is a Fibonacci retracement. So from price action here, I'm looking for a minimum of a 382, and we get that. So we've got a 50 here. And this would be my B leg. So I've got my X, then my A, and then my B point right here. Then the next criteria I'm looking for is another Fibonacci retracement from this swing low to this swing high. Yes, that's right. What I'm looking for here is a minimum of a 382, and then we get another 50 right here. This is a perfect bat pattern, right? So we've got the right B point and the right C point for a beautiful bat. And I've just been sitting here watching this price action shoot all the way up into our 886 from our X to A move. So if we take the fib retracement again, go from swing high to swing low, full leg in the move here, we have an 886 right here. And these are my orders. So I'm just resting below the 886. The reason being is markets are imperfect, right? So I always want to front run. And that's why with my targets here, I'm not at the 382 and I'm not at the 618. We're not there. We want to front run. And that's because over time, when you're doing your testing and when you have a lot of experience in the markets, you do realize that price action is imperfect. And what you're doing is setting up the best chance for your opportunity to be filled. Okay, so we have a good opportunity here. Price action fills us on our entry point because we front run 886. Yes, price action pushes past that, so triggers our entry. Now what we want to do is front run the orders here for the 382 and the 618 again, because we want the best opportunity for the market to fill our orders, because that's how we make money, and that's why we're doing what we're doing. As price action pushes up past the 886, what we want to do, so initially our targets were a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low all the way up to this swing high, assuming that this is where price action turns. So this is our reversal zone. Yes. Now, as price action pushes past that, we want to take the Fibonacci retracement and we want to follow price action. So now I want it at the top of the wick here, right? So I want to grab the Fibonacci retracement and go all the way up and keep following price action no matter how high it pushes. Until when? Until we get stopped out. The reason why our stops are here is, well, that's where I want to get out because I'm wrong initially on the trade. That is what the stop loss is used for. So if price action pushes up into this level, past our X point right here, then I want to get out of the trade because, you know, maybe price action is pushing back and then reloading towards these highs looking left. So I want to get out here instead of getting out here, right? So that's why my stop is where it is. We roll our fibs, therefore we need to roll our entry point, which is right here. So I want to roll just above the 382 for our target 1, and then for target 2 right here as well. And again, this is the process that we need to follow. As price action pushes up, we need to keep measuring because we want the best opportunity to be filled on our target right here. So make a little arrow as best I can, like so. This is where we want price action to go because it closes our target and then we make some profits on this trade. Just walking you through step by step of identifying this trade, this opportunity on the Euro-Yen 1 hour time frame. This pattern I have to take every single time it presents itself because I need to trade in the exact same way that I tested. And all I'm trying to do is with these pattern formations is look for little reversals out of the market here. Okay, that's why after 886 we're trying to look for a little move down to the 382, and if we get a little bit further at the 618, then that's terrific. That's amazing. All right, so what I will do now is pause the video, and if this trade is a win or a lose, I still want to show that because walking through progression of a day trade is as important as anything. Nobody wins 100% of the time. It's important to show both sides equally. I will talk to you soon. All right, so here's what, just before I hit record again, you can see that price action has come down all the way into 382 and closed off half of my position. All right, so we trade 2 contracts here, so 2 positions. We take off half of the position when we hit target 1 at 382 and then roll my stops to break even. And now I'm looking for price action to move all the way down into the 618 for target 2. So that would give us an extra 40, let's say 41 pips on the balance of the position. But this is a good trade. Followed the trade plan, and right now we don't do anything else. That's it. So we're in a risk-free trade now. If we hit target 2, that's great. If we go back and hit our entries here, then we're just going to get out of the position. So see what happens. Right now it's time to sleep for me, and then I'll come back in and see what happens. All right. All right, so here we are. I'm back in the office. We have another day. We're getting ready. It's actually a busy day today. So what happened here? Well, when I came in the office and I did my trade management and I had a look, you can see that we are now stopped out of this trade. And we did the right thing, didn't we? We came in, identified the trade opportunity, we sold at the 886, and then price action came down right there and then touched the 382, which was our target one. What did we do? We took off half of the position. We rolled our stops to break even, because like I said, if price action were to come up and hit the 113, stopping us out, most likely we are going to get a rebound here and then a test towards this price action right up here. Oops. This price action right up here towards structure right there. Okay. And that's exactly what happened. So we didn't get the opportunity to be filled on target 2. That's okay. We took some money out of the markets at the 382, and then our stop placement was at break even. We got taken out for break even. So we were profitable on this trade. Price action comes up and retests this structure level right up here. Okay. And then what do we do from this point? Well, we delete our analysis on the charts, and then we start again and we walk through the same process. And we do this again and again and again and again, because daily disciplines practiced daily with your trade plan, the byproduct of doing that, correctly will be profits in your account. You don't do this, you're going to struggle, you're going to spin around, go around in circles, and it's going to be very, very difficult to make this work for you. Trading is already difficult enough. So without having a trade plan and without testing that plan and knowing that what you're trading actually produces a profit or not, it's going to be incredibly difficult for you. It's not good. Not good. So please understand that you have to trade that which you have tested and that which you have an edge in the marketplace. Otherwise, this isn't going to work for you. So that's just the update here on the Euro-Yen 1 hour time frame. Day trade opportunity for the bat pattern. We delete this analysis, we start again, and we look for the next opportunity. So those are the updates. I will see everybody, for those of you who are stars, I will see you in the Star Live trading room. If not, then I'll see you next time. Until then, be safe, enjoy life. I'll talk to you soon.